So I just want to summarize it with 5 steps to sharpen the commercial awareness for all of, I mean, it is my experience and my recommendations, but certainly you can also have other means as well, other steps as well. First of all, develop a habit to read, or if you don't want to read, watch and listen. Okay, and there's quite a few sources for you. And second, just select some stories or some topics that you are interested and focus on all of those. And I can say that, you know, if you are familiar with one topic, chances that you can extend it to a lot of others as well. Okay, and then from those favorite topics or story, develop some deeper thinkings like analytics, or have some kind of thinking like analytical thinking or design thinking. And most importantly, develop some points of view for yourself. Okay, some, you know, some viewpoints that you can apply. For example, if you are that CEO, what you will decide, what you think will impact your business, if it is your business. And the fourth step is, you know, if you have a deeper understanding thinking, you may research it further, you may discuss it with your mates, your friends, or your college, and, you know, just do it, dig deep into it, and step more into, you know, for example, sharing it or teaching it. That would even further sharpen your skill. And last but not least, try to connect with experts and learn from others, from the top leaders. When you learn from all of them, you will upgrade your skill, will upgrade yourself a lot. And it can be from LinkedIn, if you can connect with those experts or leaders, or you can silently follow and learn from them. And I believe that it is doable for sure. Okay.